Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND A1 wireless Bluetooth speaker, the second generation of it, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, not responding, etc. Any kind of issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory default setting reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you want to set this up on a new device and you just want to delete all of the pairing history and settings so that you can just set it up like you're just setting up a new speaker. We can go ahead and do this, and it's really easy to do. All we need to do is come in and press and hold the power button and the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. If we do this, hold it for 3 seconds, this resets the speaker to factory settings, and the speaker will be in pairing mode the next time that you switch it on. And you can just basically set it up as though you're setting up a new device.